In this video, we're gonna learn how you can generate a share link and send photos to client. It's very useful if you have like reopened work orders. Instead of sending like 100 photos via email, you can simply generate a link and send it to your client and they can review it. And if they want to download a specific photos, they can also do that. How you can do that? It's actually very easy in Hayvee, and you can simply open any work order. So as you can see, I have 26 photos in here, but I have like 0 photos. So it's better to have photos when you are generating those links. So you can simply click on the work order. This is the media section, and this is my gallery. And this gallery has all the pictures. So what I can do is I can simply go back, click on this admin portal, and then click on the share button. When you click on the share button, it will gonna ask you to generate a share link. You can simply click on the generated, so you can simply click on the generate link and you will get this share link with the work order gallery basically, and it will gonna show all the 26 photos. So you can simply copy this link, open your Safari, paste in here. I'm just gonna show you how it will gonna look like. So this is how our share page will gonna look like. So this is like the property address, property type, and it has all the pictures in here, which the client can easily look into it. And if they want to download a specific photo, they can also like download it very easily. Okay, so let's see if you send the link accidentally and you want to revoke it. There's a revoke link option. When you revoke this link, the link will no longer active. So when somebody try to open that link, let's see, let me refresh it. It will gonna let them know that the link is revoked. Easy.